What brings you here tonight, or just in general up here?
Well, my boy likes mobbing a lot, so we were just like, why not go with him for a little bit?
Yeah, we never see a Mercedes up on this mountain pass before. What is this?
It's a 2014 E63S 4MATIC 5.5 liter V8.
Damn, and then what's the power output?
Right now it should be a little bit over 860 crank.
Holy shit, so 860 crank?
Yeah, so it has downpipes tune, methanol injection, and then also has intakes, which is not so much, but yeah.
Right, I mean compared to 860, that's like barely a dent in that. And what tires are these?
These are all-season Michelins, and then I'm gonna get the Cup 2s right when these are done. But not bad actually tires.
Okay. And then it's like 860 to the crank, but it's like, can you even put all the power down? Even, I know it's
I can because it's all-wheel drive, so it doesn't spin to me at all.
Oh shit!
So I just fly it up here. I mean, we don't go too hard, but
yeah. So gapped one. That's a very unique
plate.
It's a very unique plate. It's very what's the word? Very optimistic. Or unless he's talking about himself, then that's very humble.
I haven't seen this energy in a while.
Yeah, I haven't either. I don't know what to say, man. Like he was like, he has the fierceness, which is like, you know, there's certain good traits to a driver. You definitely want that fire and competition to help you move yourself forward.
I hope he realizes that's really not going to warm up his tires.
You want to tell the audience a little bit about yourself?
Sure. I changed my major so I could afford Touge a little more. I came to Touge pretty optimistic. We'll see what happens. I'm not trying to kill myself either.
What draws you into this?
Originally, the scenery. It was really a calm thing for me. And then I met, you know, a few more people. I'm a little more competitive now. I definitely drive for myself though.
That's good. Exactly. That's the biggest thing. Is you should be doing this for yourself. Some people kind of miss that.
Yeah.
You know, whether it's to impress other people.
Is this a kid who wiped out here, or is that a different?
No, that's another BMW. Well, Mini 86 was saying also, you know, a lot of these people, they don't run the mountain pass as often as
we do.
Yeah, exactly. Yeah. By proximity, they run it because it's so close. I don't know how much they really dive into racing theory.
Oh yeah, that's quite a bit of power on here.
No, yeah, they are all going to have so much power, and if they run it through drag strip, you know, it may take a second to catch up, but that's fine.
That's just how it is in this car.
Yeah, it looks like they're doing that. Well, there you go. You can clearly see the difference in power during this segment.
Quite a bit of rub. That's fine.
Yeah, I hope they're taking it easy, because this is not the pace we're looking for at all.
I know. I hope so. Now E63 kind of causing a problem.
Yeah.
More than I anticipated.
Right. There you go, the time portion.
all the way into $3,000 over here.
Yeah. That Mercedes approach is a little bit. It's not exactly what I would do. Okay.
I don't know what the Mercedes
yeah,
is doing.
I didn't even know the Mercedes was going to be in this run group at all, and let alone second. Like, what the hell? Yeah, there's Oscar wondering what the fuck's happening. Like, yo, took a good ass nap there. Alright, let's go to